Alright, so this video will show you where the RFH antenna and module is located. So far 13 is the same location as the 15. This is a 2015. So this is a crew cab. You're going to have to get the seats out. Basically you unbolt them. Then you slide them up out of these rails. You pop them out, disconnect them. There's going to be a plug right here. So the module, it's right here. This is the driver's side, so in the back of the driver's side. Then the antenna is going to be on top of behind the headliner. To get to that piece, you're going to have to pop this cover open. There's going to be a Phillips screw. Take that out and then just kind of start pulling the panel off. For me, I did the lower piece first because it's the easiest, and then I was able to get some grip on the top piece. The lower one overlaps the top, so just gonna drop it like this. And then to pull the headliner out, the easiest way I found it, well, make sure you pull these hooks off. I pulled both sides, so just make sure you take them off. Once you open the little window, there's a Torx in there, and then you press up on the headliner and you just kind of work these areas out, and there goes the antenna. And mine has a leak issue. It's kind of the reason why I took it apart right now. See what's going on. I have no idea. No sunroof. And they all have this issue all the time.